Hey guys, we've got an oversized tee. It's almost got that kind of like poncho design where it's like triple width and then the sleeve is just like a little slit out of that side seam. Then there's also a slit at the bottom to just give it that drape and movement. So you can literally just throw this on with capris and you're ready to go. Very breathable, very roomy, perfect for the summer heat. It's a rayon blend, so it's so soft and stretchy. You can easily tuck this just to kind of give it like a little waterfall finish. You could tuck it all the way around to create that looser look. If you do tuck it all the way around, it's going to kind of give it that dolman sleeve look, kind of like the batwing look, which I also really like. So you can kind of get two different looks out of one. You can also knot this or belt it depending on how you want to style it. So there's tons of ways that you can style this, but honestly, I love just throwing this one on with capris and having that loose and comfy fit. This one comes in small, medium, large, and XL. Small is going to be anywhere from 0 to 10, medium anywhere from 8 all the way up to 14, 16. Large is going to be your 14 through 20, and XL is going to be your 20 plus. If you do have any other questions on this one though, feel free to send us a message and we will help you out.